The Tech Fixr will show you how to delete Instagram video or audio call history. So if you want to clear your call history, just follow these simple steps. Open message, and as you can see, here is no option to see your call history. So all you have to do is just open the specific conversation. And if I open any conversation, as you can see, here's I started some video, some random calls, and also here is no option to delete call histories. So to remove or delete your call history, all you have to do is just delete the entire conversation, and then you can research for the conversation and you can start chatting. So this is how we can delete Instagram video call histories. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe the Tech Fixr. See you in the next video.